Hello everyone. So I just wanted to share an unboxing with you today, and I got my 49th and Market mystery box bundle in the mail today, so I wanted to kind of open it up with you all and show you what the contents are, just in case you might be curious about what you're getting. I'm going to kind of open it to the side, otherwise the box won't fit on my desk. Ooh, but look at that. Look at those goodies. I'm so excited. All right, so I guess start with what was part of the last mystery box, the one that I didn't get, but I watched a lot of videos, so I know. So there are two kind of tickets. Oh. And I'm struggling. Oh no, oh no, I don't want to tear the box. How do people open this and not tear the box? All right, so you get a huge sheet of these paper tickets, and there's kind of repeating patterns. It's very nice. They're perforated and they're printed on both sides, so double the use. There's also a one roll of tickets, I guess I should say. And then this feels kind of stickery-ish or washi tape-ish, a row of stamps too. So let's check these out. Oh no, they're paper as well, so paper stamps too. Very cute. And this, I think, is the plum colorway. So I got these in, oh, nope, lavender. And then this one is fern. So that's a nice color combination. I also, speaking of washi tape, oh, I'm so excited, got this huge roll of botanical washi tape. And I am a sucker for a huge roll of washi tape, so I'm very excited to see this. And all of them come with like a little cutter that you can kind of put at the edge of the box, thread your washi tape through, and it'll cut a nice clean edge for you. And oh no. The downside is it's always hard to get these, at least for me, it's always hard for me to start these all on one edge and not lose some of it. I'm just not coordinated when it comes to washi tape. But oh, look at that. This would make an amazing background. I do a lot of like aesthetic journaling, so this is definitely going to go on that. But I also do card making, so this will help. This will go on cards too. Very versatile. All right. Next, I have washi tape stickers. That is kind of Christmas thing. It is called Christmas Spectacular washi tape stickers. And what I'm excited about these for is, like, while some of them are definitely tabs, some of these are definitely Christmas themed, like the poinsettia or the candy canes. Whoops, that did not come off as planned. What's going on? How do I open this? Oh no. Oh no. Am I doing it wrong? I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Oh no. Alright. I think that's kind of taped down. But these are stickers. And what's exciting is that some of these stickers, like these labels and these clips, and even the stars, can be used outside of Christmas, so it doesn't have to necessarily be Christmas themed. So once again, versatile. All right, I was excited. I was hoping to get these. So film strips, an eggplant, always lovely. It's really nice to put like pictures behind here. Also like washi tape stickers, scenery stickers, definitely useful. And there are 11 acetate pieces. So excited for this. Tags, like who doesn't love tags? This is a chipboard set actually, so it's not just tags. It's got words in that as well, pretty thick. Oh, I'm loving this. I can definitely use this on both cards and in my journaling. These are mini index clips. How cute are those? So I don't know why I turned it over. But yeah, I can punch holes, put the brads through, and I've got little clips to kind of hold things shut. Very cute. I like this color wave as well, tidal wave. That's very nice. It'll be great for summer. All right. Also, rub-on transfers, which I absolutely love. And look at this. These will be great for collages, my journal, cards. I can use this in so many ways. And it's in the colorway of Mariner. So once again, kind of ocean blue themed. Look at this. Beautiful. I don't really use paper flowers, so these might find a new home. But look how beautiful these colors are. So Royal Spray in Bashful. And I don't know. Can't see what this one is. It's just, this one's in Slate. So, Bashful and Slate. What a beautiful, I don't know, maybe I will use these. Maybe I'll use these on cards. It would be such a shame not to. They're so pretty. Okay. I also have lavender envelope bits. Oh, look how nice. So they've got different envelopes and then sort of inserts that you can put in them. I also have a cat here. All right, back sans cat. But these would be great for my journal spreads. Yeah, as well as even cards, and then can definitely use these little mini envelopes too. Oh, love it. I was so excited for this box. I can't even tell you. I actually was so excited that I bought two. So there'll be a second unboxing coming later. Rouge chipboard elements. Look how beautiful those are. So it's all of these elements come into it. Once again, great for sort of creating clusters in my journals, collaging, also for cards. So I can definitely use these. I have the Vicken tag set. Oh, look how beautiful those colors are. That like light purple, lavender, it's kind of a seafoam green, light green. Oh, love it. So 18 tags with strings, definitely useful. More flowers. Okay, look how cute these are. This is in the colorway Amber. So very sunny. Definitely very summer feel. Also, some collage sheets. Oh, nice. Once again, do collages and journaling, so can use these. And this is in the color Inkwell. Is that right? Yeah, it looks like it. Sorry, there's my cat's playing on the paper. But yeah, beautiful. I'm gonna open this up. I want to see. This is a nice paperweight as well. It's not as thin as tissue paper, but here, let me pull this out and show you. Not as thin as tissue paper, but definitely won't add a lot of bulk when you're layering things or collaging with it. Oh, so nice. Oh, great. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm so excited to have this too. I was hoping I could get some collage sheets. So I'm very happy about that. I'm gonna put this on the other side so I know what it is. Very nice. Okay, next. Oh, framed. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I, once again, do some journaling and card making, so cannot get enough frames in my life. And look how pretty this lavender is. Oh, essential file set. Oh, I love it. And it's part of the nature study. So right up my alley with the neutrals. And just, yeah, love it. The mushrooms. So happy. This is great. It's like this box has been curated just for me. All right, next is sunburst ephemera bits. Nice. This is very like a very summer theme. Look at everything that's in there. You can mix and match and create great clusters. Love the frames, the words. Oh. Oops, something went flying. Oh, I have a hole in mine. That's fine. That's fine. Right. It just keeps going. There's still more. Christmas cluster kit, which is lovely because who does not need Christmas cards? Oh, I love that. The little kind of British post office box. And it comes with strings and buttons. These are laser cuts. Oh, love it. Okay. More laser cut elements. This is part of the Plum Grove collection. The frames and the florals and oh, look, little postage stamp thing, little tabs. Oh, so happy. So happy. Okay. Do you see a verb? More laser cut elements. This one is part of their curators. Once again, like, look at that postage theme. Torn edges. Oh, I love it. Love it. Journaling spots and perforated stamps. Oh, that's great. I'm definitely going to make use of this one too. This is right up like my alley. What I want to do with this kit. All right. 12 by 12 rub-ons. Oh, maybe I should zoom out for you so you can see them all. So this is part of the Moon Garden color collection, and oh, I love it. One sheet, so just these. They're huge though. They're so big. Can you see it? Like the size of them, like right next to my hand. They're like the size of my hand. It's like a full card front right there. All right. And then there's an ultimate page kit. Wow. This one is the nature study. So once again, right up my alley. I love this. I love it. I do like a lot of nature traveling, and I like to go to national parks. And so this can definitely help me memory keep those experiences. Oh. It's got the chipboard die cuts, the laser prints. Oh, look how pretty those are. I love as well that there's no white border, like it pops out and it's just the ephemera piece itself. You know, sometimes white borders are okay, but sometimes you don't want them. So I'm gonna have to pull this out. Look at that, it's so pretty. More laser cut pieces. Oh, look at that doily. Yeah, so excited. These backgrounds for clusters. Look at that. And then the paper. Oh, and I think it's double-sided. Yes, so double-sided paper. Look how cute those mushrooms are. pre-made cluster. You can also cut out the elements for this. Oh, goodness. I'm a sucker for window frames as well. Oh, how nice. Yay, I'm super excited about that. And finally, the last bit is just some bits and bobs of paper, which is beautiful. Look at that grain. And then airplanes, travel themed. These solid colors, well, kind of monotone colors, are great kind of foundations for a page. Oh, look at those. Pretty. Well, that is very bright. I don't think I have anything in this colorway. Well, no, you know, this floral. This paper kind of goes with it as well. It's picking up those pinks. Pretty. And then sucker for birds too. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So that's my whole kit. Super fast kind of walkthrough on it, but I cannot tell you how excited and happy I am with what I got in this box. Perfect. Thank you. well done 49 and Market. I absolutely am so pleased with everything that I got. Thank you.